Here's how you can make Freddy ruin FNAF ruin gacha in gacha online. It was that easy, but yeah, I'm glad I made it in time, because if I didn't make this, I would be so upset that I missed that whole entire tutorial. Anyway, sleeve 81. Drop 1100 and 109. Jacket 5234. Found out where the stomach was. For shirt 2336. Glove 9. Shoe 4122. Shoe 41. Sock 11. Pants 12. No, 23. And I'm just gonna make the outline. Well, I gave away the outline, so here's the outline, and you're finished. So anyway, I'm just fixing it. Here's the outline for the stomach. Here's the color for the actual color. Here's the color for it too. And you're finished.